Last weekend my nephew was here and he helped me do some yard work.
Good job. I'll get that one because it's stuck in the fence.
He's such a good little helper. My dad also helped me stretch the fence around the chicken coop so that I could move the chickens from the netting into here. I'm going to leave them all together until probably January, and then I'm going to separate them and only leave the white ones in here because they're my meat bird experiment. I'll also be separating out the sapphire sky chickens. I have 3 hens and almost every day I get 3 eggs, so I definitely want to separate them so that I can hatch out some more. They also lay a really pretty green egg. Also, Hazel was bred to Billy Ray on October 11th and her due date is March 5th. Olive was bred to Billy Ray on October 16th. She is due March 10th. And it won't be long before we have peas. This week they started to bloom.